Morning Internet. I'm at Hyde Park right now, my dad's landscaping business, and I'm going to film a video for them today for Touch a Truck Day. Because of this COVID-19 corona thing going on, we have to do it digitally, so I'm going to be filming that excavator crushing metal. Let's do this. Up here as he was crushing that metal, and I was like shaking. It was so scary, but it was awesome. I did it. So cool. I just got back from filming and editing. The video looks super awesome. It was also fun and risky to film. It was so cool. Here's the video. Check out the final product.
Today we're going to operate a mini excavator. A mini excavator is a very versatile machine. It runs on tracks and has a bucket and a thumb so you can scoop or grab things. We have a pile of old metal that needs to go to the scrapyard to get recycled. Once it is recycled, they will be able to make new things and tools out of the metal. We are going to load it into a dump truck to take to the scrapyard. Now that the pile is all cleaned up and loaded onto the truck, we're going to use the blade on the front of the excavator. We're going to backblade the earth and stone to get it all clean. The blade is used to grade earth and get it nice and flat. The excavator is very useful because it can turn full circles if it needs to. It can also reach very high or dig very deep. The thumb and the bucket can act together to grab almost anything you want to grab. When the work is done for the day, we can raise the machine into the air using our blade and bucket. We run the tracks around and around to get any stone or loose earth out of the tracks, keeping them clean for the next time we need to use the machine.
That was super fun. We even brought all that metal in the back of that dump truck to a scrapyard afterwards, and that was an experience in itself. That was so cool. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe during this COVID thing. Do some super fun things and stay cool and positive. Things will get better in life, I promise. Alright, see you in the next video. Goodbye. Peace out.